The remains of the media magnate, late Harish Mondale Ogutoflasi, makes a grand entry into Akane Bode of Isako East Local Council.
My Nigerian don't bring no Bishop News story. My name Nandehi. The president of France, Emmanuel Macron, don't welcome President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on Thursday when he attend the state banquet for inside France, Paris. And today on Friday, June 23, 2023, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't attend with other world leaders them as they do their closing ceremony for inside the new Global Pact Summit where they do for inside France. The People Democratic Party and the presidential candidate will be Atiku Abubakar don't show the Presidential Election Tribunal Court some document where President Bola Ahmed Tinubu present to Independent National Electoral Commission will be INEC as the Konyan say the document they illegal and not be President Bola Ahmed Tinubu get. I say because the name we don't top those documents now Bola Adekule Tinubu as court can accept those certificates as evidence against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for inside court. And those certificates now BSc certificate from Chicago University and also NYC discharge certificate and also the Mobile Nigeria Oil PLC certificate of service. The Department of State Service will be DSS don't say some Omila terrorists they plan to attack worship centers like church and mosques and also some recreational centers before or during the Eid Kabir celebration and after where DSS recover some explosive materials them where one terrorist man carry and in Konyan say na them they plan to attack those religious places them. Now be small something as so many people that don't come they trap for inside their houses as their cars can't even sink for inside water after where heavy rain fall we make Ogbonge flood can carry trade more area for inside Lugbe, Abuja today June 23rd, 2023. The chairman of that communication and also the PDP chieftain wey name be Engineer Raymond Dokpesi, they don't finally bury am for inside hometown wey dey for Edo State yesterday, June 22nd, 2023.
The remains of the media magnate, late High Chief Raymond Ogutoflasi, makes a grand entry into Akane Bode of Isako East Local Council area in Edo State.
The Oyo State Economic Police Command Yanni on Friday morning say the skit maker wey name be Abdullahi Maruf Adisa aka the Trinity guy don show face for inside the Oyo State Police Command around that kind 10 a.m. after where the CSP Olumiwa Adejobi wey be the top person of Nigeria Economic Police order for your arrest because saying go do one yeye skit with one underage small girl. Some people don't beat one Abuja man wey name is Stephen Achama after when he played them 419 of about 5 billion naira take buy land where they come build house on top, but later government come out come scatter those houses the way they build say because the place where they build the house they illegal. Plenty Nigerian Christians they don't come fire bad mouth to this pastor will be Apostle Michael Akpo for inside Warri Delta State say because in live preaching of the word of God when he go preach come go they talk about washing of bra and how Bobby take fall for inside church.
You dey sell bra,
yes,
you dey sell pants.
Yes.
Advise us how many days woman supposed to wear bra?
Like at least 2 days.
At least 2 days.
Because you dey sweat for under. As you dey sweat, this under here is sine pass anything.
Okay.
Then for those people when their breast don't sag, you go carry am.
Wetin be sag?
Meaning when their breast don't sleep.
Wetin be sleep?
One Nigerian student where they graduate for inside Southwest University of China where her name be Ifoma Amuche don't come dey happy as she come dey appreciate the school. Say out of 9,500 graduate them from the school, say now she be the only international student that wey say they select to come give speech as she come speak Chinese where she dey yarn her own speech.
尊敬的领导、老师、亲爱的同学们，大家好。我是国际学院第9级汉语言文学专业的成员，来自尼日利亚，很荣幸代表。
The Lagos State Economic Police Command don come out to call yarn say they don catch 32 cultist members dem wey say that they worry some areas from Isolo, Ikorodu and other places dem for inside Lagos State. And na the tok person of Ikoloba Police wey be Benjamin Hunde I come out come yarn dis tok.
The State Police Command deployed its tactical intelligence, arresting some suspects at their hideouts in Ikorodu and Isolo areas. One of them, a notorious cultist, popularly called 70, was arrested.
We are happy to inform the people of Ikorodu that with their cooperation, we've been able to take out 8 of the suspects.
One Nigerian lady wey be student for inside Canada don come dey yarn on top dis video say to school for abroad, especially inside Canada, say e no dey special at all, say because the coursework alone dey very hard and e cost reach about $3,000, and if you fail any of the course, you go need pay another $3,000 to write the course again. I think say even work wey dem dey work, say bills wey dem dey pay for there, say e high well pass the work wey say dem dey work.
Be serious right now. There is nothing funny about schooling abroad, most especially Canada. Because it's crazy here. One course cost almost $3,000. You know how much that is in naira. If you fail that course, you have to pay for it and retake it and pay again. Do you know what that means?
The operative of Adamawa Ikoloba Police Command on Friday don come catch 5 boys dem wey be say their work na to dey break, dey bust enter people houses and shops, so come dey thief-talize properties dem for inside the houses dem. And na for Yola North local government area on Friday, June 23rd, 2023. Now Ikoloba come catch them with plenty things like sewing machine, generator, cloth materials, and cutlass. The United States of American Coast Guard don come here and say the submersible wey be say e implode near the Titanic. Say all the 5 people that wey dey inside don come poof by, and na the Coast Guard officials na come out come yarn this talk during the news conference on Thursday, June 22nd, 2023. As Inkoyan said they don't inform the families of those people then.
Debris is consistent with the catastrophic loss of the pressure chamber. Upon this determination, we immediately notified the families. On behalf of the United States Coast Guard and the entire Unified Command, I offer my deepest condolences to the families.
The Nigerian professional footballer and also the Napoli club striker will be Victor Osimhen don go visit in former primary school for inside Oregu area of Ikeja, Lagos State, and I post these pictures them on top in social media.
Now Bishop News Club, my name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.